Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write Allah name in German style by using English alphabets. So in today's video we will learn about the German style of calligraphy, and here we are using English alphabets and give them a German style. And by using these words, here we are going to write Allah name, and here is the first letter of the Allah name, which is A. It's so much easy calligraphy. And here we are writing A, and here our A is near to complete. And after writing A, we will move ahead towards the L. And now here I am writing L of the Allah name, and it's the first L. We will write both L of Allah name in the same way. And here the shape of L is completed. We will write the other L in the same way. And after that we will move ahead towards the writing A again. And after that we will write H here. H is little different from other words. And after writing H, our calligraphy become completed. Hope you like this video. And if you don't have subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, then tell me in comment. I will give you the answer of your questions in my next video. And here our calligraphy is near to complete. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.